I set up two sawhorses with a 2x between them to lift my bike so I could adjust the derailleur. I put the 2x under the cargo rack after removing the reflector, and I screwed everything down using this block of wood to keep it secure so it wouldn't move at all. I put these two screws inside the cargo rack. I also put a screw through the reflector hole. I drilled pilot holes in the 2x and then drove screws into the sawhorses. I put this sawhorse far enough back so I could have easy access to the derailleur. This bicycle repair stand is easy to assemble and take apart.